Welcome. You are invited to get comfortable in whatever position feels best for you. As you settle in, imagine yourself in a welcoming forest. Soft sunlight filtering through the trees, that gentle warmth touching the ground around you. Let's take a slow breath together. I will count for us. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently hold, 1, 2, and breathing out, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more, in for 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, and breathing out, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now allow your breath to settle into its own easy rhythm, a comfortable inhale and an even longer exhale. You may notice thoughts, feelings, or sensations moving through. You may simply acknowledge them, allowing them to pass like a breeze through the trees. With each breath in, a little more space. With each exhale, a gentle release, making room for calm and clarity. When you are ready, you may begin to notice the space around you again, carrying with you this grounded, steady presence of the forest. This grounding presence is here whenever you need it. Thank you